Meaning of flaxseed oil.
Flaxseed oil.
Flaxseed oil.
Flaxseed oil.
Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is an oil derived from the seeds of the flax plant. It is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is an essential omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Flaxseed oil has been found to have numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and aiding in digestion. It can also be used topically to improve skin health. However, it should be noted that flaxseed oil can go rancid quickly and should be stored properly to maintain its freshness and effectiveness.